We are pleased to show you the 2022 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires front all season. Come see the car for yourself.